In regulated industries, the IT departments and their development teams were considered more of not an asset, but as an expense. Now, as banks and regulated industries such as healthcare are transitioning to become technical companies, these organizations now need to think of them as assets. And how do you take all this wealth of knowledge that you have and skills that you have that are now tied up in SOAP and SOA? How do you move that to an API consumer-centric world, and thinking of when you're building things, don't build it from an application to application integration point of view, but from a point of view that somebody is going to consume this, and a lot of people are going to consume this, not just another application inside. It can go out to partners, can go out to external developers, can be an asset that can actually be sold. So it's a big shift for a lot of these organizations to do. It's not just about transitioning the technology and upping the skills of your technical team. It's about transitioning your whole organization. And a lot of times, trying to work and transition an organization, a single organization, doesn't necessarily work. You almost need to split it off into a new organization where you have, you said, the new metrics, the new incentives, the new processes in order to really jumpstart and get moving. So you'll see a lot of things like innovation teams spin up, or digital teams spin up, that don't have to necessarily abide by the same rules and regulations that the traditional IT and development teams within a regulated organization needs to abide by. I hate to say this, but it's just like in SOA. You need to have that executive buy-in. You can have some grassroots, technical, brilliant architects and so forth start it, but they need to push it up to the executives and make it a reality and say, look, this is not just a technical thing. This is imperative for your business to succeed. So let's organize in this fashion to achieve that.